Hello, hello, hello. Welcome in, everybody. If you're new here, then thank you so much for joining me. I have got a lot of new subscribers joining my channel, so welcome. I hope you enjoy my Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas 2023, day 5, the 5th of December. And I live in Warrington, and you can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, and YouTube, and I think that's all. They're the places that you can find me. I also have Pinterest. I'm also on Pinterest as well. So today, obviously, I've opened my advent from Rick, and I got a Lindor chocolate salted caramel, my all-time favourite. And I got I'm not sure what this is, but let's have a look and see what it was. This advent is what Rick has got me. Oh, it's a little pussycat. Can you see? A little pussycat. Oh, isn't that cute? I think that'll fit on there, see? Isn't that cute? So this advent here, where I show you, that's was put together by Rick. So some jokey things in there as well. So let's see how it goes. So today we're on day 5. So I've got 3 advents from my Yarny Corner, one from Yarn Whisperer, Katie, over on Instagram, and also Botanical Yarn. And I'm doing blankets with 2 of them, and I'm doing a wrap with Katie's using my elf leaf square motif, which is something that I've designed that I'm doing. So we're going to open Botanical Yarns first. As you all know, thank you for all your comments yesterday about them all being yellow. So let's see what today is. Oh my god, guys, it's not yellow. Yay, it's not yellow. It's a nice minty green. A nice minty green. Look at that. Nice. So that's will be lovely. So what I've done with them all is I'm doing that was that one. So what I'm doing with them all, I'm doing the cozy memories blanket. And then what I'm doing is, when I've done my square, I'm putting them back in the boxes, and on the lid, on the covers, I'm putting how many grams are in each, because I want to use all the advents on all 3 of the projects. So this is a welcome change to yellow. I was getting a bit disheartened, guys, but then not gonna lie. And this is what I'm making, the cozy blanket, cozy memories blanket by Shelley Dupont, the polka dot creek. And I'm keeping up to date. There's only one that I should get up to date with. So there we are. So day 1, day 2, day 3, and this was yesterday's. So I can add green today. So I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, so I'm excited, and it's in my botanical Christmas bag. I got this from Botanical Yarns. And the next one is from Katie. And on Katie's, I am making a wrap. So this is my elf leaf wrap motif, and I'm making a wrap. So I just got to do the ends on this one. And yeah, I'm going to be doing another square all the way around. I'm keeping this free. I'm going to do another round. I'm keeping this free so it'll fit into your neck nicely. So that's that. And that I need to sort that out, because I've done exactly the same with these. So that was yesterday's colour. I forgot to do the day before, so I need to sort that out and get that done. and we're going to open day 5 for Katie, and his is all about films, Christmas films. And I forgot to open yesterday, so I've got 2 to open today. So, lovely. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't that super duper? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, yeah, so that is going to be added today. I do 2 squares. So Kitie's yarn will go in my Cozy Memories blanket, and that. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Sorry about that. That's my phone. And so that's Kitie's. So thank you, Katie. Loving, loving, loving. And last but not least is my Yarny Corner. And I'm nearly up to date. I've still got that to knit in, my jelly roll, and I've got my little Santa progress keeper. It looks like he's stuck down the chimney. There we go. So I'm using that, and I've done, so this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this was yesterday, Thursdays, which is this. So what I do is when I wind it, I put 11 grams away, and what's left I'm adding to the blanket. So botanical yarns will be added to this, and but not till I've done all, and then I can spread the yellows out and spread everything out. So it's going to be a long blanket. It's going to be quite long. So yeah, so I'm loving that. And I've got my I'm doing them on 3.25 DPNs, and I've put the stoppers on the end. So yes, so it's in my Gemma, is it Gemma B Makes project bag, which I've had for a few years now, and it's just an ideal size for at the moment for the blanket. So yeah, so what I've done with all of them, I put the yarn back in the bags and put 11 grams, and I know they're all 11 grams, so we're going to pick number 5, and apparently they're all animals, and I think I've got everything wrong, every single one wrong, so I need to check my Yarny Corners shorts, make sure, see what the clues are, and I will report back tomorrow. Oh, so today I've got another sweet, another toffee candy, and ooh, I think this is an elephant or a rhinoceros. So yeah, so that'll look really nice. That'll fit in nice, go nice with this. So yeah, really nice. There's all different shades of grey. I must say Danny's done a superb job of dyeing the yarn. Really looking forward. So after this, what I will do is I will do a little video of each project on the progress, and no outside footage today, guys. Sorry, it's absolutely piddling down, and I'm just glad to be home. We've been and done the food shopping. We always do our food shopping on a Tuesday, so we've got all that done. That's all put away. So I thought, right, let's get up here first thing this morning, get it all done, get the video uploaded, ready for today's Vlogmas, and I'm going live today as well, guys, 2 o'clock GMT, which I do believe is 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 Central, 8 Mountain, and 7 Pacific. And I know it's 4 o'clock in South Africa, and I do believe it might be 3 or 4 o'clock in Europe. I could be wrong, don't quote me on that, but anyway, I do appreciate you all coming, and once again, welcome to all my new subscribers. Either hit over 6k. So thank you Cindy, thank you Ursula, thank you Ginger, thank you Tiffany, and all of you who have given me a shout out to help me succeed to 6k. I'm absolutely over the moon. So thank you so much. Best Christmas present ever. So thank you guys. So I will love you and leave you. Don't forget there's going to be a little footage, a little bit of filming after this, showing you all the colours and what I've done with them. So take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all tomorrow for day 6. Wow.